Have you ever harbored a strong curiosity about the fundamental forces influencing our reality? Is there a significant link between quantum physics, consciousness, and the practice of bringing our desires to fruition? As we journey through the complex tapestry of existence, questions about the true nature of our reality persistently beckon us. What if our thoughts and beliefs were not just fleeting notions, but the architects of the world we perceive? What if the universe itself is a canvas upon which our consciousness paints the masterpiece of our lives? Picture a world where the mysteries of quantum physics intersect with the ancient wisdom of enlightened teachers, a realm where the boundaries between science and spirituality blur. What if the key to manifesting the life we desire lies not in external circumstances, but within the depths of our consciousness? Today, we embark on a profound exploration of the interconnected realms of quantum physics, fifth-dimensional consciousness, and the art of manifestation. We will unravel the intricate web of connections that bind these concepts together, challenging conventional perspectives and igniting a new understanding of our ability to shape our reality. Let's go deep into the quantum sea of infinite possibilities, where energy, thoughts, and beliefs converge to create the world we experience. Discover the transformative power of aligning your consciousness with higher dimensions, and learn how to navigate the path to joy, love, and abundance. The journey ahead promises to unveil the incredible potential that resides within each of us, a potential that allows us to consciously create the life we truly desire. At the heart of our exploration lies quantum physics, a field that beckons us to peer beyond the veil of classical reality. Quantum physics portrays the universe as a domain where particles and waves merge in a dance of possibilities. It acquaints us with the concept that everything, spanning from the smallest subatomic particles to the immense cosmos, embodies energy's expression. Quantum physicists speak of waveforms of probability, where infinite possibilities shimmer in the quantum sea. Here lies the pivotal question: how does our consciousness interact with this quantum canvas? The solution, it appears, resides in the influence of thought. When we direct our mental focus toward particular potentials within this sea of energy, we give them vitality. Our thoughts and beliefs serve as the bridge between the ethereal and the tangible, as they transmute waves of probability into particles of matter. The very reality we perceive is, in essence, a reflection of our inner thoughts and beliefs. The concept of the fifth dimension emerges as we venture further into this exploration. In the fifth dimension, the illusion of separation dissolves, and we recognize our intrinsic connection to the universe. This higher state of consciousness invites us to let go of fear, scarcity, and lower-level emotions that perpetuate the belief in separation. We discover that the core of a balanced and prosperous life is found within our awareness. When we synchronize our thoughts, convictions, and emotions with the frequencies of happiness, affection, and affluence, we elevate our consciousness to the fifth dimension. In this realm, our thoughts and emotions become the alchemical forces that shape our reality, attracting experiences that mirror our inner state. The power to manifest lies within each of us. Quantum physics unveils the remarkable interconnectedness of all phenomena, while fifth-dimensional consciousness presents a route to transcend the confines of an ego-driven world. By harnessing the transformative capacity of our thoughts and convictions, we can deliberately shape the reality we yearn for. Let's keep in mind that the universe is not merely external, but also resides within us, ready to be adorned by the strokes of our thoughts and beliefs. The authority to navigate the fifth dimension of manifestation is firmly within our grasp, beckoning us to embrace the boundless potential nested within the depths of our consciousness. Have you ever pondered the concealed forces that shape the cosmos? The exploration of magnetism, tracing its origins back to ancient Egypt, illuminates a deep correlation between energy fields and the essential principles of being. As we venture through different eras, from the Greeks to the Arabs and beyond, we uncover the earliest insights into humanity's comprehension of magnetism. At its core, magnetism was recognized for its potential in healing, a truth held dear by luminaries such as Pythagoras. Pythagoras, a philosopher, mathematician, and mystic, gifted us with valuable insights into the world of magnetism. However, his teachings were often overlooked or forgotten by subsequent generations. Pythagoras emphasized the importance of the magnetic forces not just in the external world, but within ourselves. He understood that the human body, too, possessed its own magnetic field, a realization that would later prove to be a cornerstone of holistic health. One of the most intriguing facets of magnetism lies in the revelation that our very atmosphere, what we commonly perceive as empty air, is a rich tapestry of magnetic energies. Far from being devoid of substance, air is teeming with vital energy. It carries the magnetic influence of the sun, a celestial body whose magnetic powers affect every facet of life on Earth. Our understanding of the seasons, winter, summer, spring, is deeply intertwined with the magnetic currents of the sun. Meditation, an age-old tradition transmitted across generations, assumes a crucial role in our journey of understanding magnetism. In the meditative state, we immerse ourselves in a profound harmony with the universe. We connect with the very essence of existence, attuning ourselves to the magnetic energies coursing within and around us. Meditation offers us clarity, equanimity, and a profound connection to the magnetic forces of the cosmos. Within each of us lies a magnetic field, commonly known as the aura, which serves as a protector of our overall health. It expands outward in all directions from our physical body, spanning a range of 3 to 5 feet. The well-being and vigor of this aura are intricately linked to our thoughts, emotions, and deeds. Sustaining the integrity of this magnetic field goes beyond mere physical health. It is profoundly intertwined with our moral and ethical conduct. Our thoughts, emotions, and behaviors directly influence the steadfastness of our magnetic field. Virtue, in this context, becomes synonymous with keeping the laws of energy fields. When we think negatively, harbor harmful emotions, or act contrary to the common good, we disrupt our magnetic field, and our well-being suffers as a consequence. Within the Rosicrucian and alchemical traditions, the conversion and refinement of energies held pivotal significance. Alchemy, frequently linked with the pursuit of transmuting base metals into gold, bears a profound affiliation with the magnetic forces orchestrating the universe. It teaches us that energies can be transformed and elevated, just as lead can be transformed into gold. This mystical understanding of energies underscores the interconnectedness of all things in the universe. Even the simplest objects in our daily lives are governed by magnetic fields. Take a stone from the river, for example. Though it may appear trivial, each of these possesses its unique magnetic field. Every cell within our bodies, every organ, and indeed every living entity is enveloped by a magnetic field. These fields adhere to the principles of coherence and equilibrium, and their equilibrium is vital for our comprehensive health and wellness. We find ourselves in a universe woven together by magnetic energies. From the tiniest atoms to the grand galaxies, everything is interconnected through these magnetic fields. Through harmonizing our thoughts, emotions, and deeds with the tenets of magnetic integrity, we can discover a state of harmony and well-being. The laws of magnetism extend universally, and when we live in harmony with them, we embark on a journey toward righteousness, equilibrium, and a more profound comprehension of the energies dictating our existence. As we persist in our expedition through the magnetic cosmos, let us bear in mind that the means to unveil its enigmas reside within us. Our thoughts, emotions, and deeds serve as the strands that shape our magnetic fate. It is by means of our deliberate decisions that we can harness the profound energies of magnetism, both for our individual well-being and the broader benefit of all. Have you considered the presence of hidden wisdom with the potential to reshape the very essence of our familiar reality? What if I were to reveal that across history there has existed esoteric wisdom kept away from the public, capable of transforming your understanding of reality and bestowing upon you a novel sense of empowerment? We will explore the enigmatic gateway experience and the transformative meditations it encompasses. A revelation emerged from a collection of audio materials known as the Gateway Experience. This collection encapsulated a treasure trove of ancient wisdom interwoven with modern technology. Developed during the 70s and 80s, these meditations employed a groundbreaking technique called hemi-sync, which utilized brainwave frequencies to facilitate altered states of consciousness. The overarching objective? To unlock uncharted portals of the human mind and embark upon journeys into untapped dimensions of reality. At the heart of this revolutionary technique lies patterning, a method outlined in a covert CIA document. This technique harnesses consciousness to manifest desired outcomes in the physical, emotional, or intellectual realm. Achieved through a state known as Focus 12, patterning enables us to concentrate on our objectives and create a mental hologram of the reality we seek. As we align with this holographic vision, we amplify energies that draw similar resonances into our lives, birthing the reality we desire. In this journey of awakening, we must acknowledge the existence of pendulums, subtle thought structures that invisibly pervade our collective consciousness. Pendulums thrive on our attention and emotions, seeking to gain momentum and influence over our lives. They manifest in various forms: political ideologies, sports teams, news cycles, shaping our thoughts and perceptions. Awareness of these pendulums empowers us to disentangle ourselves from their grip and steer our reality toward our true desires. As we navigate this web of consciousness, group intention emerges as a force to be reckoned with. When individuals unite with a shared purpose, their collective energy amplifies, exponentially magnifying their ability to manifest desired outcomes. This phenomenon, akin to the mastermind principle, demonstrates the immense potential we hold when we synchronize our intentions and direct our focus toward a common goal. Embrace this wisdom, for it is the beacon guiding us to a future of unparalleled possibilities. Picture a world where the most brilliant minds are left baffled, where even the great Einstein himself is challenged and proven wrong. This is the story of the Nobel Prize in Physics, awarded to John Clauser and Anton Zeilinger. It's a tale that delves into the heart of quantum physics, challenging our perceptions of reality. Now we journey through the enigma of the non-local universe, where locality and reality intertwine in the most perplexing ways. At its essence, the Nobel Prize-winning revelation centers on two primary notions: locality and reality. Locality implies that the consequences affecting an entity are constrained within its immediate surroundings, where nothing, not even information, can propagate faster than the speed of light. Conversely, reality presents a more intricate enigma. It questions whether particles, such as atoms and electrons, possess definite properties inherently, regardless of measurement, and how they exist in a superposition of possible states until observed. In the 1930s, two opposing paradigms emerged to describe the behavior of small-scale entities like particles and photons. Einstein and his contemporaries upheld the view that the universe was inherently real, with particles possessing fixed properties, akin to a tree making a sound in an unobserved forest. Contrarily, the anti-realists, led by luminaries like Bohr, proposed that particles existed in a state of indecision until measured, reminiscent of Schrödinger's famous cat paradox, both alive and dead at the same time until observed. Einstein, along with Podolsky and Rosen, presented the EPR paradox, a thought experiment highlighting the incompleteness of quantum mechanics. They reasoned that if two particles were created with related properties and separated by vast distances, the measurement of one would instantaneously dictate the state of the other, seemingly violating the speed of light limit. Einstein attributed this to hidden variables, suggesting that particles had predetermined properties unknown to us. For several decades, physicists were divided between Einstein's determinism and the quantum indeterminacy championed by figures like Bohr. The breakthrough came in 1964. John Bell, an Irish physicist, formulated Bell's theorem, which aimed to experimentally resolve the debate. His work focused on entanglement, where two particles' properties are intrinsically linked. Bell's theorem sought to determine whether hidden variables or quantum mechanics better described the universe. Bell's work led to experimental tests, and the CHSH inequality, developed by John Clauser, Michael Horn, Abner Shimony, and Richard Holt, became instrumental. In this experiment, two photons that are entangled together are blasted in opposite directions, each equipped with polarizers. By rotating these polarizers and recording photon detections, they aim to determine whether the universe adhered to local reality. The experiment revealed a phenomenon defying Einstein's local realism. When they aligned their polarizers, they should have observed photons either together or not at all. However, at intermediate angles, their agreement exceeded classical predictions, indicating a non-local connection between the particles. This experiment, conducted by John Clauser in 1972, ultimately challenged the deterministic view of Einstein. The Nobel Prize awarded to Clauser and Zeilinger, along with previous work by Alain Aspect and Anton Zeilinger, demonstrated the bizarre nature of the quantum universe. Quantum entanglement, quantum teleportation, and the unpredictability of quantum phenomena paved the way for the emerging field of quantum computing. While it doesn't breach the speed of light limit or enable faster-than-light communication, it reveals a universe far stranger and more complex than Einstein envisioned. This research into the non-locality of our universe has unraveled mysteries that challenge our most fundamental assumptions about reality. It symbolizes a victory for quantum mechanics over Einstein's concept of local realism, granting us a glimpse into a cosmos that challenges conventional knowledge. As we delve further into the quantum domain, the expedition holds the pledge of being as bewildering and breathtaking as the universe it unveils. Einstein may not have possessed all the solutions, yet the inquiries he posed persist in propelling us toward a more profound comprehension of our reality. Our quest requires us to unravel the enigmatic realm of magic. Have you ever contemplated the mysterious complexities of magic? What if we were to disclose that the profound art of magic finds its essence in the unassuming realms of our everyday mental faculties? We shall unearth the genuine magic in its most rudimentary form, the convergence of attentive cognition and unwavering intent. At the heart of magic lies a profound secret, a capacity to channel one's cognitive focus toward a desired outcome and formulate a clear, unwavering intent for its materialization. Dispense with the allure of ostentatious ceremonies. True magic unfolds within the precincts of our cerebral faculties, where attention and intention coalesce to forge our tangible reality. To master the arcane arts, one must acquire the ability to access the elevated plane, gnosis. Gnosis embodies an augmented state of mindfulness where cognitive acumen attains exquisite precision. The venerable discipline of meditation offers the safest and most time-honored path to this transcendent realm. Meditation, steeped in centuries of wisdom, constitutes the cornerstone of magical practice. Its transformative influence upon our cognitive architecture is nothing short of profound, bestowing the clarity and poise indispensable for the mastery of magic. Meditation, although seemingly straightforward, presents formidable challenges, particularly for neophytes. The practice involves assuming a comfortable posture, closing one's eyes, and quieting the mental tumult. However, novice practitioners soon discern the capricious nature of the mind, which habitually wanders. It is a common occurrence for intrusive thoughts to attempt to lure the meditator into various reveries and distractions. The essence of meditation resides in the unwavering return of cognitive focus to a singular focal point, whether it be the rhythm of one's breath or the repetition of a mantra. Over time, this discipline engenders protracted phases of tranquility and inner perspicuity, effectively rewiring the cognitive substratum. With committed meditation practice, one begins to perceive the world through an exquisite lens of heightened clarity and an evolved perspective. Meditation peels away the layers of cultural conditioning, permitting the apprehension of reality in its unadulterated veracity. The ultimate aspiration is to transcend the obfuscating illusions and distortions that traditionally obscure our comprehension of the cosmos. Meditation, however, transcends the realm of inner serenity. Many meditators recount experiencing meaningful synchronicities, a sensation of connecting with metaphysical entities, and even purportedly supernatural abilities such as precognition or telepathy. While these subjective accounts serve as personal testimonies, they underscore the transformative potential of meditation upon perception and aptitude. The quintessence of magic resides in an astonishing simplicity, attentiveness, and unwavering intent. By honing these cognitive faculties, we unlock the power to redefine reality. Meditation serves as the portal to magic, affording the clarity and concentration requisite for profound magical practice. It is judicious to commence one's magical journey with modest ambitions, advancing incrementally. It necessitates unwavering discipline, practice, and a firm belief. What if I informed you that your very focus, the ideas you harbor, and the sentiments you experience possess the ability to sculpt the environment surrounding you? In central Copenhagen, a city rich in history and the origin of profound philosophical contemplations, resides a concept that delves into the core of being, the Copenhagen interpretation of quantum mechanics. This captivating perspective not only questions our comprehension of reality, but also beckons us to delve into the intricate connection between human awareness and the quantum universe. At the quantum scale, the nature of reality exhibits behaviors that defy our commonplace understanding. Particles partake in an intricate ballet of uncertainty, and it's precisely at this moment that the Copenhagen interpretation, pioneered by Niels Bohr and Werner Heisenberg, takes center stage. This interpretation implies that particles can only exist in a state of multiplicity until observed, signifying that the act of simple observation collapses the wave function and establishes the particle's state. Your concentration has the power to transform into a quantum observer, compressing numerous conceivable outcomes into a solitary reality. Have you ever taken notice when you're absorbed in a dilemma or an aspiration, and you begin to detect pertinent prospects and resolutions everywhere? This phenomenon isn't a random event. It's the interaction between your concentration and the quantum realm. Throughout history, wise individuals, philosophers, and spiritual leaders have acknowledged the authority of human intention. Siddhartha Gautama, the Buddha, underscored the significance of thought in shaping our reality. In a similar vein, Jesus advocated seeking, asking, and knocking as a technique for channeling one's concentration and intention. These teachings reflect the age-old wisdom that conscious thought can sculpt our reality. Albert Einstein grasped the imaginative capacity of human thought. Einstein's insight into the potential of the quantum realm hinted at the incredible possibilities awaiting those who could harness the power of their imagination. Practical instances of this concept are observable in everyday life, from students envisioning triumph in examinations to entrepreneurs picturing the prosperity of their startups. Your thoughts lay the groundwork, but your convictions and your emotions are the protagonists that breathe vitality into the narrative of your life. Friedrich Nietzsche's words remind us that a steadfast belief in your purpose imparts purpose and determination to your actions. Conviction and emotions should be authentic. Pretense won't suffice. When you genuinely trust in your envisioned reality and experience it deeply, you become a crucial component in the quantum choreography of creation. The law of attraction, popularized in recent times, aligns with ancient sagacity. Similar energies attract, and your convictions and emotions act as magnets, drawing experiences and circumstances into your life. Your emotional state functions as a tuning fork, emitting frequencies that harmonize with corresponding experiences. To employ the power of conviction effectively, it's essential to disassemble self-limiting beliefs. Identify these beliefs, gather substantiation to question them and supplant them with strong beliefs. In doing so, you pave the path for your reality to synchronize with your yearnings. Emotional intelligence plays a pivotal role in molding your reality. Acknowledge your emotions, fathom their triggers, and consciously select your responses. By transforming negative emotions into opportunities for development and connection, you change your emotional resonance to draw more favorable experiences. While you voyage through the quantum terrain of existence, bear in mind that concentration, conviction, and emotion are your confederates. They are the tools and pigments with which you shape the masterpiece of your life. Your reality is yours to construct, and by mastering the art of deliberate creation, you unlock the boundless potential residing within you.